In a journey that spans decades, a sonic masterpiece was born. The sonic brand of Al-Hilal. Founded in 1957, Al-Hilal embodies values of pride, winning mentality, and champions. Our musical alchemy brought the essence of Al-Hilal to life. With a symphony of emotions, we crafted a theme that resonates with the heart of every fan. From the stadium to every brand's touchpoint, our sonic identity adds a winning spirit to every moment. Its harmonies travel across the globe, uniting fans far and wide. And when the team scores, our theme roars in triumph, echoing the pride of the champions. Our anthem becomes their voice, sung passionately by devoted supporters. With a sonic brand that embodies the club's legacy, Al-Hilal roars to victory, forever united by the power of music.